How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to repair your window on your Toyota Corolla. This goes from Corolla's 2003 to 2007. So basically what happened in this Corolla, this is actually my Toyota Corolla, the rear left window is no longer going up. It goes down, but it doesn't go up. You can try it from the front master switch, or you can try it from the back and it's the same thing. So let me show you real quick. So as you can see, the window is halfway down, and I'm gonna try to, I already have the switch out in the cover, so it goes down as you can see, but it doesn't go up. Look. Goes down, but it doesn't go up. So the first thing that I tried to do was to switch between the left and the right rear door switch. So what I did is I just pulled out the switch on the left and pulled out the switch on the right door, and then interchanged them to see if the switch was the issue, and still the same problem. To repair this specific issue, so what I did was I got a master switch. I went to the junkyard and got another master switch. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to switch the master switch, and that should fix the problem. So all you have to do is just pull this out. It doesn't have any screws, so you shouldn't have to unscrew anything. Now you have to unplug this right here. So here's what you need to press this little plastic right here. You press it down, and then you pull the plug up, or just pull it apart. So here I have the master switch out. This is the original master switch. So all I have to do really is just remove the plastic cover also, so that I can replace that too, and just put it into the replacement. So there's 1, 2, 3 screws you have to remove. So we're gonna do that first. Okay, so I just removed the 3 screws. So all I'm gonna do is remove the old master switch, and then replace the one that I got the replacement, and then put on the screws back in there. Okay, so I just finished putting on the 3 screws. So now all we're gonna do is plug it back in. But for this, you have to, before you plug it in, you have to pull this outer plastic all the way back until it clicks. Let's see. So there's that little click, and as you can see, it's all the way to the back. So you pull this all the way to the back, and now we can plug it back in. Okay, so I just finished plugging that back in. So all I'm gonna do is put in the key and give it a try. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, that seems to be working fine. Let's give it a from here. Okay, and that's working great. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the door cover back in there, and put the front door also back together. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you.